This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find your crypto wallet address. First, understand that your wallet address is a unique string of characters, essential for receiving any digital currency. Think of it as your personal mailbox for crypto. You will always locate this address within the platform or application where your digital assets are stored. This process is straightforward once you know where to look. To begin, access your preferred cryptocurrency exchange or open your dedicated crypto wallet application. Once inside, select the specific digital asset you intend to receive, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. You will then need to locate a button or tab clearly marked Receive, Deposit, or sometimes Fund. Clicking this option will reveal your unique wallet address for that particular cryptocurrency. When finding your address, always ensure you select the correct network for your cryptocurrency. Sending to the wrong network can result in permanent loss. It is crucial to meticulously double-check every character of the displayed address against the sender's information. For significant transfers, a smart practice is to send a very small test amount first to confirm everything works correctly before committing the full transaction. In summary, finding your crypto wallet address is simple. Just log into your platform, select the asset, and click Receive. Remember, precision is key. Always verify the address and ensure you are on the correct network to avoid any irreversible errors. Take these steps carefully to ensure your transactions are successful. Also, for a fresh ride, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.